that are in there. All right, we're in part 2 of the video, and as you can see here, the manual is extensive, and I think I might need it at some point because otherwise I won't know what to do with this. We've got the what do you call this thing? The power cable. The power cable, it's not USB-C, it's the old style power cables they gave you in the old days, and this here is some kind of jack. I hope that I'm not going to need this jack for anything, because kind of defeats the purpose of a wireless microphone. That and I guess that this is supposed to be what, I don't know, where do you stick this thing? I think the whole point of this thing was that I could put this on a vehicle or something, and then it could this on a Bluetooth.
Likey.